Hello everyone, this is Savita Shinde from Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management Nashik. First of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sharing Knowledge of Agriculture. So friends, today we are going to discuss on an important topic, that is manufacturing process and general properties of nitrogenous fertilizers. Friends, first example of nitrogenous fertilizer is ammonium sulfate. So let us see the manufacturing process of ammonium sulfate. In India, it is manufactured by two processes, namely gypsum process and second process is as a byproduct of coal and steel industries. So first process is the gypsum process. In brief, the process consists of making ammonia by synthesis of nitrogen and hydrogen, or by making ammonium carbonate by reacting ammonia with carbon dioxide gas. Finally, ground gypsum is reacted with a solution of ammonium carbonate to produce ammonium sulfate and calcium carbonate as shown in these reactions. Second process is as a byproduct of coal and steel industries. When coal is distilled in closed ovens, a portion of nitrogen is volatilized as ammonia and ammonium salts retained in the wash water. Next, nitrogenous fertilizer is urea, that is CONH2 twice. Urea is manufactured by reacting anhydrous ammonia and carbon dioxide gas under very high pressure in presence of suitable catalyst. This unstable intermediate product is decomposed and urea is recovered. The urea solution is concentrated to 99% and is spread into a chamber where urea crystals are formed. Next example of nitrogenous fertilizer is sodium nitrate, NaNO3. In the process of manufacturing sodium nitrate, synthetically gaseous nitrogen obtained from coal gas is combined with hydrogen for formation of ammonia. The ammonia formed is oxidized to nitrogen oxide in presence of suitable catalyst. The nitrogen oxides then absorbed on a solution of sodium carbonate. The resulting solution of sodium nitrate is evaporated and the solid material is crystallized. Next is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Briefly, the manufacturing process is as follows. Sodium chloride is treated with ammonium and carbon dioxide to form sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. The resulting ammonium chloride is then separated from the solution. Next is calcium ammonium nitrate, that is capital CAN. CAN is manufactured in an attractive, dust-free, easy-flowing granular form containing 25% nitrogen. Water is electrolyzed in an electrolysis plant to give hydrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and hydrogen are then compressed and passed over ammonia catalyst to obtain ammonia. A part of this ammonia is oxidized with air and absorbed in water to give nitric acid. Next fertilizer is ammonium sulfate nitrate. This fertilizer is double salt of sulfate and ammonium nitrate. The double salt is made up from a combination of about 62.5% of ammonium sulfate and about 37.5% of ammonium nitrate. It has nitrogen content 26% of the total nitrogen, 73% is in ammonical form and remaining 27% in nitrate form. This fertilizer is readily soluble in water but highly resistant to leaching as it contains 3/4 if it's nitrogen in ammonical form. Next one is ammonium nitrate. This fertilizer is not manufactured in India and it is imported on a limited scale. It is manufactured by passing ammonia and oxygen gas with air over a platinum catalyst to form nitric acid. This acid is neutralized by ammonia to form ammonium nitrate. Friends, in this video, we have discussed about manufacturing process of different nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, urea, sodium nitrate, ammonium chloride, calcium ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate nitrate, and ammonium nitrate. I hope you all like this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.